Right, over here. Come on. 5. Hopefully we can, not get jumped. Alright, so today, me and my brother, who is just, currently making a paper airplane for absolutely no reason, we'll be playing Aeroplane Story 2. We have played it before, haven't really gone far in it. What are you doing? And apart from that, I honestly don't know what else to say. And I guess, subscribe for a nothing. Good job to me, subscribe for a nothing. Anyway, let me just actually start the video instead of just yapping all day. Alright, goodbye. Oh, alright. Where's my seat? Yes, my seat's here. Just imagine it was in... Bro, that was the seat I had last time. That's actually crazy.
That I had last time.
That is actually crazy. Also, I was playing PS5 last time, but look how... I'll have to show the other side, but look how long that aeroplane is. Look how stupidly long that is. That's just crazy. No. Welcome back to Airplane 2. Yeah, thanks.
Oh yeah.
That's a storage room. Yeah, that's...
You died.
Oh yeah, because of the lava. That's funny. Kieli, I'm gonna call you Kieli from now on. Kieli. Kelly is just...
It's not that.
Oh, he's on one. Yay, definitely 911, 991. Can you not give me a good number? What are you...
Wait, what? That black box. That is actually sweet.
I'm not getting from you. Golden, yeah, sure. That looks like teal to me.
That looks green.
What can I go on my Arab? It's just a black screen. I don't want to take any damage.
Ah!
Oh, we just did a barrel roll.
Bro, I just got halfway.
Oh, yeah. There's also this one speaking part I really want, but thank you for your cooperation and not sitting down without a seatbelt on and somehow surviving a barrel roll.
I took half damage.
Because you weren't in the city.
I didn't have a screen.
Yes, I know what to do, Kieli.
Yo!
I'm listening to this conversation. Actually, no, we need that.
Come on.
We need that. No, wait. Look. Do not trust him. We need 7 of these no's. Ready? I'm gonna watch a conversation. No, we should know about what? Your mum.
Where's the other one? Hello.
Give me the broom. I want it for later. I want to spill something over. Yeah, can I?
I want to sit. You're lucky if you sit here.
What do you mean?
You know you can sit.
There you are. No, you. I'm silly jumping dog. Silly jumping dog.
Airplane on an airplane where I can see an airplane.
Airplane on airplane. Any note? Yes, it's a note. He on the desk. Yes, can I spill the water? Go on the note. Yeah, get that note. It's a secret message. Why is he just like walking?
2 of 7.
So, he gets very mad easy, like what doing the Gangnam style in your face.
What if I'm spamming
Because you've got a mouse on a table. Done it, yes. Okay, I'm grabbing them up. Goodbye. As soon as it...
I'm kicking one.
Yes. Lock me up for the rest of the flight, please. Can I go into it? Oh my god. Don't worry, I already got it. What are these kind of chairs? I'm a wicked old lady. I'm a broomstick. Oh damn it!
Where's my broomstick gone?
I don't know where my broomstick is. Are you gonna stop moonwalking? Yes. Can I really want to be the cook again. I want to be the
No, I
cook.
want to be the cook.
Can I do the whoop on Gangnam? Gangnam! Actually, no. Oh wait, no. Jit's bowling. Jit's bowling. He's bowling.
Very cool. Ronald Donald.
But look, if you go behind his head, he's bowling. Bowling at the bottom. He's bowling. No, I don't want to be welcome to your airline. Ronald what? Ronald McDonald.
Ronald McDonald.
What's Roblox the States? I thought it was the States of Roblox. We're heroes for the station. Yeah, yeah, I know I saved the plane. I'm the good one. He's the bad one. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let me come.
Oh my. I'm so cooked if I get this one.
I really want to do it because it's like so fun. So the chef of the plane, yes. That's definitely what I'll do if a chef. Please pick me, pick me, pick me, pick me. Pick me, pick me, pick me. Yes! Pick me. I already know how to cook. I make my pasta every day. I know how to cook. Let me in. Good boy. Actually, it's not trash. It's rubbish. That looks like this fish looks like the president whenever he's angry. Oh, you won't be able to see, but it looks like the president when he's angry. This is crazy. Of this airplane. You walk on. Eggs. Right, I need to find the
I'm
egg.
gonna watch you cook.
It's a different recipe from last time.
Salt.
Salt and pepper. Egg. Egg fried rice. Why am I just grabbing 3 eggs at a time? Banana. Or banana style.
Apples and bananas. Apples and bananas.
Yes.
The food is ready.
Why? Cornball. Cornball.
My
Because you are a mouse. Okay, so why the hell is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There's literally 17 bowls of soup and I only made it for 3 people.
And there's no 4.
3? He doesn't eat. He's just there.
He's like,
I like how my arms are just like fading through the chair.
I'm still like halfway home. I better survive.
I think you need to spend Robux again. Can I take a seat? You know I'm now Ronald McDonald.
We hope you
I'm now Ronald McDonald.
will.
I'm now Ronald McDonald.
There you go.
Why am I flying? Yes, I know where the computer room is. I know the code. Let me do it myself. Let me do it. I know the code. Is there any pieces of pesky paper? I don't think so. Let me do the code. I think it's all pink, if I'm correct. You do this side, I'll do this side. Basically, all you want to do is just spam a computer until it doesn't let you click it.
I was like, it's not. Where's the code?
Okay, what on earth is this a monstrosity? Yeah, that's the keyboard, but what is this? I'm sorry, no. It's first one to get to the ambulance, basically. Oh, it's all blue, it's all blue, it's all blue. It's all blue. Done. Let me out. It's all blue. But it was a different shade of blue. Is he bowling this? Yes, he's still bowling. Okay. I saw. Yes, there's one. Haunted by his feet, by his toes.
Right, let me get it.
This is where the creepy, definitely creepy man stands. I found scissors. I found the keys. I had to get everything ready for what you're. I bet you. I bet you. I have a theory. This man is the I hit me. For some reason I can't find the keys. I already did it. You can stop spamming your mouse now.
Wow.
Him. I don't know. I'm just gonna stand here and just wait for the creepy man, aka who I think is him, to just rat dance.
No, it's because he's going to be gone. Little Peach guy, Ronald, is going to be gone. So then he's going to be. That's night already. Damn. I can't sleep.
I bet you he's already out there. Yeah, I see him. He's not there. Yeah, there he's there. I don't know, does he have that bowling? No, he doesn't. This time he has the fire. No, he didn't. He was just black. Move. Move, I could just see him. Wait, what is that hair? What are those eyes? Oh yeah, we gotta run now. It's the fire. It's the lava or whatever.
Like the
Did you forget about me so early? No, actually, I didn't. Go, 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 go.
Yes. I don't care about your codes.
I've already got all of them. I got 4 of the 7 that we have currently found. Oh, look for them. Where? Yeah. I'm going in. Oh, I need this code here. Alright, now I'm gonna get on top of the top of this. Yes, stay on the top.
You died last time.
Yeah, I died last time, was that? Actually, no,
Then I left.
oh my god, I ragdolled because of the how. Look, bro, look at this. Boop. Ow. Okay, I died. Are we safe?
No.
No, we're not safe, actually.
It's gonna rise up.
I can't wait to see.
I know. But we're not gonna get close. So low.
I honestly feel like we're gonna get engulfed. Okay, I haven't gone past this yet. Do I actually have any sound? Yeah, fire is gone. It's just all a nightmare. What's that?
Oh my god,
Did you get it?
oh yeah.
Yeah, no, I really should look. Alright. Ready? Stealth mode. Deuces, buddy, he's come for you. Oh wait, I know what you gotta do. You gotta just juke him out. He's here. Whoop bow, 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 whooppa tuppa tubadi tu. I've got a bad feeling about you.
Where the hell have you gone?
I'm about to die. Whoop bow. I died. Okay, good job.
Okay, I'll just...
How much does it cost to continue? 35. Okay, who cares? I've got over 5,000.
No. Bad boy.
Okay, how long is the timer got? Because I'm.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Bro, I'm so done.
Open. Yeah, sure. I'm on 5. I'm on 3 robot. I'm on 5. Listen to it works. Yay. No.
I've never been in.
What do you mean? What is going on, bro? Oh, there's another one here. There's another one there. Get on.
I'm on 6 hours.
Damn, I lost all of mine, so I need to go get them.
I didn't
let me sit down. I really want to sit.
I'm gonna finish my city.
Okay, good boy. Let me guess, you're a secret agent, yeah? Yep, knew it. I literally guessed it word for word. Oh, damn it, that's crazy. I like him though. He's not scary at all, apart from killing me once. I like him. Yeah, because they're in the air, Sherlock.
Very low.
See, he wants to crash planes.
He tried to make a plane crash. Luckily, he died.
Haha. So now he's this. Yeah, the one who saved the plane. Like all the glasses right there. Bro, I literally have all the glasses apart from you, bro. At least I have limited. Oh, I do. I have a limited item. Not in Sealer Brain. In the Roblox catalog.
Okay, what is your
Take this gun, yeah, give. Give me the gun. I'm old. Oh, there. It's gonna be hard for you on quarter health. Me. Got it. I'm not a bomb crash.
Why is there med kit?
Because it just is, okay? They randomly generate. Wait, where? I don't see it. Okay. No. Damn. I can't move. Yeah, I like how you're just jumping in the corner.
So I'm going higher.
We are not monsters. Just imagine I shoot the president.
I can't get forward.
I don't trust you. Which one do I do? Which one do I do? President, agent, or don't shoot? Okay, that is political. I'm just gonna not shoot. Just imagine it was the president the whole time. Him bowling. Hopefully. I never attempted to kill him though. I just pointed a gun. I was like,
And I never participated.
I finished airplane 2, let's go.
Yes.
Is that the only ending? That's crazy though.
Yeah, but I still get the 7th one.
Yeah, because there was no 7th one. What am I doing with my screen?
I like the thing.
I know the 7th one. What are you doing here? I swear to God, you were just up in the air. And
Big city type.
okay, I don't care. I might do this soon. Yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, that helps a lot. I'm trying to reach 50 or 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And, well, I guess, bye.